Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Wandile Ndlovu. And if you don't know Wandile Ndlovu, let me introduce you to her. Wandile Ndlovu is a popular South African content creator and a former reality TV star known for her remarkable body transformation and advocacy for body positivity. And Mega will show you, because what's this? Yeah, this body works for me. Lamantombazana laba bathengisa ngomzimba and then bakukhombisa ukuthi umzimba wabo uyabasebenzela abanikeza imali. And she recently made headlines in American singer Summer Walker, who shared her post that many believed was aimed to Wandi's Brazilian butt lift, i-BBL yakhe. In response to the backlash, Wandi hinted on reversing her BBL surgery, sparking a heated debate about body shaming and self-acceptance. And while mostly known her for uthengisa umzimba kumanagerian, she went to uMacG and told uMacG how a managerian give her money and how South African men don't give money. That's Wandi Ndlovu for you. And recently, Wandi Ndlovu, they're sparking rumors. Everything under this video is allegedly. Rumors are circulating that she allegedly stabbed his uncle. Ukwaze umalume wakhe due to an altercation of indlu kagogo. Thiwa uWandile Ndlovu was renovating indlu kagogo and umalume had some comments there and there and kusho a closed source. And masibheka ku-IG kaWandile Ndlovu, she posted ukuthi she's a God's girl, blah 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 blah. And abantu basho ukuthi she's arrested Ramokopi police station. She's being detained by the police. Owandile Ndlovu akabuyele eNigeria if ever uzohlupha guys. And kuthiwa hayi ukuthi umhlaba ukuthi usesibhedlela umhlabele ukuthi uyashona la khona umalume. Ukwandi it's either uyabuyela kumanagerian wakhe ayoba rough nabo angayakhe kibo because bungamelanga from the start guys. Yazi kuhlezi kushiwo ukuthi ungayakhi ekini. Yakha kwakho, yakhela umamakho indlu, yakha something for your parents. If efuna ukurenovate kagogo, renovate. Ugogo once washona, you're gonna fight umama kaWandi. Umama kaWandi angathi umntana moyakhe la, bazomlwisa at the end of the day. So she's currently held at Ramonkopi, eKatlehong police station, and nathi sazibuza guys ukuthi kwenzakalani. We want the update. Like we're all waiting for your update. Sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoWandi Ndlovu. And this must be a lesson to everyone who's willing to help their granny's house, bar, renovate and all. Just know while you're renovating and wasting your money there, the uncles, the aunties and all, they are looking at you and like, the day your mom or the grandmother dies, bad heart. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.